I don't care. So everybody, this is at least the 12th try in me trying to make a YouTube video. And today we're gonna start someone. I'll be right back. I'll go get them. You're coming with me. Technical problems coming through. Where are you? Did you go through this door? Okay, let's see. Where are you? You're not allowed up there. Excuse me. Yeah, get down. Okay, everybody. Here's the person. Well, what's the name of the person? In here. In here. Here's the thing. I can see people love these things, and that's not allergic. And sometimes you can pick them up. Here they are. Oh, you're so fat. So this is Casbein. Fat boy, little girl. Okay, now take her down. Put her down. So yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, let's see. And yeah, as you can probably see, Batman logo is right here. Yeah, right here. Another Batman logo is right here, and Batman is right here. So that's good. I have my luck. As people say, I'm not good at parkour. But I'm good at parkour. So people, just saying right now, go check out my friend. He'll be in my subscriptions. So yeah. Let's call him Deadlock, of course. Drunk your dash level. Love the song, but never ever will beat it. Wait. There we go. Okay, well, now it's time for me to go. So, she says goodbye. Okay, goodbye, Casbein. Oh yeah, by the way, she does have sisters, and we do have dogs at our house right now. And then also including the snake Paco. You may not be able to see her, but she's there. Now, goodbye, my peeps. Enjoy.